You've finally decided that you need financial help and have decided to seek assistance through a payday cash loan. Stop. Before you do anything, talk to friends and family about your situation to ensure this is really the right move for you. If after seeking help you feel that you understand the risks and benefits of your decision, make sure you find out about these 5 things before getting a payday cash loan. Ask about the interest rate. This might seem like a no-brainer, but understand that when you get a payday loan, the interest rate is considerably higher than the standard interest rates on home mortgages or credit cards. In fact, the recent news item had a House subcommittee looking at the possibility of placing a cap on the interest rates of payday cash loans at 391%. The Consumerist House preparing to legalize payday loans with 391% April 2009. That's well above the 5 to 7% for a home loan and the 13 to 16% for most credit cards. Review the terms of the agreement. This is a very important part of the process because once you see what you are agreeing to, you just might have second thoughts. The terms of agreement is your contract, which identifies you as the borrower along with the loan amount and the repayment schedule. The problem is that the interest on most payday loans, if annualized, is well over 300%. Know what you are getting yourself into before you need payday loan help. Find out the consequences of default. If you are not able to repay your payday cash loan by your next paycheck, you will be considered in default. When you default on your payday loan, several things will happen. First, along with the original interest on the loan, generally $15 to $30 per $100, you will now owe a large default fee plus a bounced check or bounced automatic transfer fee. Next, you may be subject to additional fees or even a higher interest rate. And finally, your credit will now be jeopardy. Before you decide that not repaying the loan is the right move, be sure to investigate your options and get payday loan help. Consider alternatives and options. You're in a tough financial situation. You're thinking you might apply for a cash advance loan. Before you do, consider where else you may be able to get financial help. Dipping into a rainy day savings account, asking friends and family, finding out if your employer can provide a payday advance, or even using a lower interest rate credit card might just be a better option. Know where to get help if you get stuck. When everything is said and done, if your only option is to go ahead with a payday cash advance loan, know that there is help available should there come a time that you need it. Don't let one payday loan spiral into a payday nightmare which requires you to get loan after loan after loan to cover your debt. http://www.stopppaydayloans.com. If you need payday loan help, there are debt solution companies like Relief LLC out there to help you get back on your feet again. Stop payday loan insanity with just a single phone call or click of a mouse.